Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and now we will try and make out of this Kathal masala or dry. This is a tender jackfruit masala curry, and then we can pour some oil on this also. This is cooking oil, okay? Then rub it. So either you can remove it this way, or you can make 4 pieces and put it in pressure cooker, and then also you can remove it. We have to make smaller pieces out of this. So this is around 6 potatoes. I have cut, applied salt and turmeric powder, and this is turmeric water, hot water, then turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon salt, and I just soaked this and I've kept this before I could make a recipe out of this. Okay, let's do our marination. So I'm taking like 1 cup of curd, and we'll be adding 4 tablespoons of homemade Kitchen King masala powder. So 4 tablespoons of this. You can get it ready-made also. Then we will add salt to taste in this marination. One tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Some mustard oil, around 2 tablespoons. And let mix this well. Now if you want to add more Kitchen King masala, then yes, you can add, instead of 4 tablespoons, you can add 6 to 7 tablespoons. We have to add turmeric powder and lime juice. So 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. So this is our marination. Then we will be adding another masala also. So this is like Kathal masala. So let's add this. Add around 4 cups of water and then we will leave this for cooking till the kathal is cooked and the potatoes are cooked nicely. Now we'll leave this for cooking and later we will add whatever we have to add more in between. So now let this get cooked. If you have cooker, you can big cooker, then you can just do it in cooker. Cover and we will cook this. High flame first, then we'll make it low flame. So what we need is 4 tomatoes, 3 onions, it will be going in the curry, and 1 lime later. Then these are fresh green peas, 1 cup. 1 cup means it is 1/4 kg of green peas. Then we need 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of carom seed, that is ajwain, then 2 tablespoon I have taken of fennel seeds, that is sauf, 1 tablespoon of khaskhas, 2 green chilies and 4 Kashmiri chilies, few leaves of coriander, 1 whole of this garlic, and this is coriander and mint. So we have to grind this to fine paste, this all. Measurement of kathal, it is like in a supermarket or any market you get 1 kathal. So 1 kathal which cost me this size 70 rupees, and I have taken 1 kg of potatoes to go in with. So now depending on the size, try to buy the smaller size so that it is tender. Let's make a paste out of this. So now we will add our tomato and this masala paste. So I will just squeeze this lime here on these onions, and then I will add it in my Kathal masala, that is raw jackfruit curry masala curry. I will add our onions. And we'll add our butter also into this. Mix this all nicely. It's a big quantity. It's like you have a party or something, then it's a big quantity. Check the salt, okay? And accordingly you all add your salt. So we'll have to cook this till our potatoes and the jackfruit is nicely cooked, till the kathal is nicely cooked, okay? So here after 40 minutes on medium flame, our tender jackfruit curry is ready. And you can add curry leaves, tadka for this. You can temper it with curry leaves and some asofeda. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and some kasuri methi. So I will garnish this with kasuri methi. Crush it. So 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, and few curry leaves, and it's ready. Hope you all will enjoy this yummy and delicious curry, Kathal masala curry. Thank you. Hope you will love this. Thank you so much. मानता तुमका ये आमचे पणसाची कोडी मानतेली and आख्या व्हिडिओर एक्चुअली हांव कोंकणी उलोवंकूच ना, बट जी तुम्ही रेसिपी पळयल्यात ती मातशी सगळी बरोयात. आनी पणस खूब अवेलेबल आसा मार्केटान, 70 रुपयांक तो मेळटा. जे दाखयला पळय तशें करात. आनी प्रेशर कुकर जाल्यार 4 सिटी. सो इफ यू आर यूजिंग प्रेशर कुकर, then you need 4 whistle, okay? And if you are doing on this open slow pan, then it takes around 40 to 50 minutes depending on the tenderness of the jackfruit. Thank you so much. Dev bare koru.